Another car has been murdered. Tonight's victim is a humble hatchback that arrived at the workshop, shaking like it just had witnessed something terrible. The owner complained of rough idle, hesitation, and a stubborn check engine light. Somewhere inside this machine, something had gone terribly wrong. But every crime leaves clues. What do you suspect? A faulty mass sensor? A weak fuel pump? Or a vacuum leak maybe, hiding somewhere beneath the intake? So let's investigate. The engine started reluctantly. At idle, it stumbled and shook, like a suspect trying to maintain a weak alibi. The scan tool quickly revealed the first piece of evidence. The fuel trims at idle were plus 25%. The ECU was desperately adding fuel. Clearly, the engine believed it was running too lean. Three suspects immediately presented themselves. The fuel pump, which might be starving the engine. The MAF sensor, which could be lying about the air entering the engine. Or the quiet intruder known as the vacuum leak. Each had motive, each had opportunity, but only one committed the crime. When the engine's speed increased, the fuel trims began to improve. And on the road, they returned to almost normal. That's very curious. If the fuel pump were failing, the problem would worsen under load, but it didn't. And if the MAF sensor were lying, the error would appear everywhere. Yet the problem existed only at idle, which left one suspect standing alone. A cracked vacuum hose under the intake manifold. Unmetered air entered the engine at idle, confusing the ECU. The ECU responded by adding fuel. The fuel trims climbed. The evidence was undeniable. Case closed.